In this tutorial, we are going to see how to calculate the duration of the growing cycle for a given crop from data on the typical thermal time requirements to complete this cycle. In this table, we have the thermal time requirements to complete the different stages of the FAO method since the sowing date. This is the base temperature for the crop in this example, which is rapeseed. And here we have daily weather records, daily average temperatures and solar radiation for our location, which is Córdoba. And this data belongs has been collected for a specific season. For calculating the extent, the duration, or the periods for which each stage of the FAO method is active, we are going to apply the concept of thermal time, which, as you know, the thermal time accumulated in a single day is calculated from the difference between the average daily temperature and the base temperature. So, first of all, we are going to calculate the thermal time that is accumulated every day in all weather series by applying the formula, which is the average temperature minus the base temperature. And assuming that our sowing date is the 1st of December, this column will depict the values of thermal time that has been accumulated since the 1st of December, which will be calculated using a recurrent formula. So now we can see how thermal time is accumulated throughout the months from December to May, to the end of May. Here we have the cumulative values of thermal time at which each of these stages end. So we will be in stage A until the value of cumulative thermal time exceeds 223. So stage A will take until the 5th of January. Stage B will be which will be ending when the thermal time is 435. So 135, 435, which is here. Then we have stage C ending in 1085. 1085. And finally, stage D, which ends in 1624. 624. So we will be ending the cycle on the 21st of May.